All right. This is an afternoon quickie. We're just going to be real quick about this. So we're looking at the daily chart on the SPX, and we're at a support here on this channel. Momentum looks very negative. It's very possible we're going to break there. I'm thinking we might just trade off of that. We might tag that and then bounce off of that. So that's what we got to look for tomorrow. I mean, we could tag it, push through it, and then turn around, bounce back up. But that's an important area, and we'll keep an eye on that for tomorrow. I may look to take a trade breaking that line. Yeah, that would be more of a swing trade. If we take a look at the 60-minute, it is a divergence, but this baby is going to have to break today's high to break that divergence. But we're obviously in a downtrend, and it's going to take a little effort to roll that momentum. But this is probably the only. Let's move that up there. There's a low. There's a low, and obviously the momentum is favoring it. Here's a low. Here's a low. I mean, this is the first divergence that we may see. This baby's got to push up a little bit in order to make it a divergence, to make this a low here. But it may be the case, man. I'm hoping and praying. Yeah, there are a lot of issues out there, and I mean, ultimately, I think the market's still strong, still healthy. We could use a little Fed support, but that's the short of the long. Just for my friends out there, here's some AMC, a little bit of a trade-off, a sell-off. I'm not worried about it. There's nothing here scaring me. It may not be over. The 60-minute momentum is still pushing down, so you're probably looking at a 44.70 number. So you probably got another 2 points of pain. I don't really mind it. You still have a good trend right here. Yeah, it's breaking a little bit, but I don't mind it. If you hit that 44.70, then I would look for an entry breaking another high. But we'll continue to talk about that. We'll see what that's about. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. I appreciate all that. I get going at 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm a little haphazard these days. Just got a lot going on. But hopefully I'll see you guys at 9 o'clock. Remember, everybody stay cool, stay calm. When you're trading, be at peace, and good luck on your next trade.